So you guys, we are Debonair's. This is actually the first pizza brand I had in my life. In my law school days. Oh, they are coming with umbrella. Oh, that's so cute. Good evening. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so Debonair's. Oh, wahala. Thank you. Good evening. As I don't go for my kayaking, I came to Debonair's pizza. Since they opened in Abuja, I've not come here, and I used to come to this area very well, but I haven't come here. And this brand is okay. It's not the first pizza I've eaten actually, but I remember there was one night in Lagos in 2012 during my interns. I think somebody just broke my heart or something like that. I just closed from my office was at Damole Crescent. I just closed and came to Debonair's in Victoria Island that time to eat pizza. So since I cannot go for my kayaking today, let's eat pizza today. I'll show you guys the pizza when you bring it.
I say you go fulfill destiny. You go fulfill destiny. In the name of Jesus, you go fulfill destiny. No one shall touch your life, but you go fulfill destiny. And I prophesy, you will fulfill destiny. I prophesy you will fulfill destiny. And I prophesy, fulfill destiny. No one shall touch your life, but you will fulfill destiny. And I prophesy, you will fulfill destiny. And I prophesy, you will fulfill destiny. In the name of Jesus.
Which trees me are we looking for? I don't know, you buy pizza for some brand to be like pizza will be like bread and stew. No.
You shall know that you're my mother. Ye shall live with the Son of the Lord. You shall know that you're my mother. Ye shall live with the Son of the Lord.
This is Abuja at night. Ooh, they just took the light. Ma.
Emoji. You don't see as I go out this to do when no concern you.
Good evening, Ma.
Good to see you, like super good to see you.
It's Happy New Year. Good evening, sir.
See you.
He did not tell you that I'll be harassing you.
I've been
You guys, these are the #1 Etsy couple.
yes.
If you want to learn anything about Etsy, these are the people, you guys. Pastor and Pastor Mrs. Shehu Omoloyin. Shehu. You guys, this is my friend, Sister Teju. She's a prayer warrior. She's a prayer warrior. Today I have to do your own lesson.
Sitting.
you need home lesson teacher in Abuja, this is the person to call. She will teach your children that they will become, because she used to teach with prayer, and she's teaching, she's adding speaking in tongues into the teaching. So the child will know book by force, by fire. Okay, I'm going to put her phone number on the screen. So if you're in Abuja, what's the name of that your destiny?
Chapters tutors.
Chapters tutors. Patronize Sister Teju. Hi guys, how you all doing? So I was supposed to go to a client site, but they just rescheduled the meeting, so I want to go and greet Etsy.
Have you told her?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi.
Hi. That is
Good evening, guys. Etsy has been entertaining me.
I've not been entertaining her.
Hi, you guys. I'm at Etsy's house. I'm about to eat correct afang. Because
You're about to eat a fast soup.
let me show you my food.
Yeah, you climb by yourself. What do you want to do?
Hi guys, long time no vlog. I don't know, the past 1 month I see vlogging is just like big. I don't have what to vlog about. My life is boring. But what's up, are you guys doing? I just watched this thing on Instagram and I wanted to talk about it, and people begging online, like, okay, I don't know, maybe I should even do like a short video or something. I don't know. I've pulled my wig, but I'm gonna talk to you like that, like this. See, there's always something to do online. If you cannot sell, you can do. If you can't sell, you can do content creation. Like, there has to be something that you are good at. To just be begging, it's not so. And the people that are begging, they need help more than you. Because a lot of people used to think that once people package themselves, I've seen two videos. What's going on today? Mr. Jollof, Avila Divas, and Rookie, I think that's her name, talking about people coming to beg. They not Kukuma, they see me because I know Kukuma girl lifestyle. But I'm just wondering, why beg? Like, there's so many things you can do. You can do affiliate marketing. You can, that time that you are online, that you are spending online, you can, like, you're using to watch, promote yourself, sell something. Sell something. No. If not that, I feel like I don't really know how to do business. I thought I do business very low, but I feel I don't know. But you guys, let's do better. Anyway, I just wanted to come and gist small with you people. I'll see you all some other time.